My name's Sean Weir. I'm from Kwik Kopy Bankstown.
I'm Luke. I'm one of the owners at Kwik Kopy Artarmon.
I'm Madonna from Kwik Kopy St Leonard's.
We've got two Roland Pro 4 XR 640s. We bought the first one about 6 months ago, and since then we've been so busy we have to invest in another machine to keep up with production. So, and honestly, they haven't stopped since we bought them. And why we bought the second machine, why didn't we look at something else? Really, because it's the quickest, it's the fastest, best quality, and value for money. Going into wide format was it was quite scary, to be honest with you. It was something that we weren't familiar with, and it's been a steady growth from day dot. Wide format was 6 months ago was about 2% of our business. It's grown steadily so far every month, and today we're looking at 31% of our business in wide format. So it's been massive. We do a huge amount of labels, the outdoor banners with the eyelets in it. Now we're doing posters on here. We do also die cut shapes out of them for neck tags and wobblers and all that sort of stuff, and that has been a gold mine.
We had wide format in the store for a while, but nothing that could do what the Roland is capable of. When our client wanted to expand the printing onto vinyl, we knew we had to go into a different area of the market. So after consideration, we went for the XR 640, mostly because of its speed of production and the fact that it could do the metallic and the white inks that we were after. The XR 640 does a lot of various jobs for us: posters, pull-up banners, lightbox media. It's also doing, what it spends most of its time doing is running on adhesive stocks, so an awful lot of decals. In our experience in the last 6 months of having the Roland, our wide format market is growing. We're producing things in-house that we couldn't do before, and on top of that we're also doing things that we didn't expect that we were going to be doing with the machine. The Roland's great for leaving by itself to do its own thing. Many nights I will just walk out the door and let it finish what it's running. Working with Roland's been great, so it was really helpful not having any idea in the EcoSol market. They were a great help of what was possible and where we could actually take it with things we could do.
We are currently using VersiCam 640i print and cut machine. We are doing a lot of print and cut work and wide format. We have had it for the last 18 months and we had been really happy with the machine. We were sending a lot of jobs outside to be done because we didn't have the facilities, so this has excluded that. Now we do all our wide format banners, stickers, and all posters, mounted posters, and we print in polyester. I'm very happy with my purchase of Roland. I know I made a quick decision, but overall it was a very good decision that we made, and we are all satisfied with that.
Most definitely I would recommend Roland. They stand by their product, and I'll stand by their product as well. I'll back it up 100% because it's quality.
I think the Roland's gone beyond our expectations, really. We've actually been quite thankful some weeks that we actually have put it in and wondered why we held off so long doing so. We probably should have done it 12 months before, and we're just thinking where we'd be now if we had done that a little bit earlier.